What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up at home to take your own passport picture. Of course, if you don't want to set up and take your own picture, you can go to your local drugstore or somewhere that does take passport pictures. I personally prefer to have the own comfort of my home so that I can take as many takes as I like until I get it right, because after all, we're going to be having this picture for 10 long years. Once you finish your photo, however, you will probably still have to take a trip to your local drugstore because you have to get it printed off in a 2x2. I paid about $15 or so to get those printed off. It's a little bit pricey, but you do need the 2 copies to go ahead and process your passport application if you don't have one already. Okay, so if you want to see how to set up to take your own passport picture, just keep on watching. And they down to that, I'm way too over that. I pass around a rotation, I got a 40 as my chaser, and I'm down for that. And it got me thinking, is this really real? You know I'm about it every day. Is this really real? You know I need cloudy every day. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave a couple links below going further into detail about the rules and regulations you need to take your passport picture at home. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell so that you never miss another episode from More Brandy Please. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!